Hi everyone, it's Arshalahi. It's Friday evening. Just wanted to say well done for getting to the end of the week, and it's your last opportunity for you to come and spend the day with me tomorrow, being Saturday the 20th of January 2018, where we spend a whole day talking about deal sourcing, looking at how we can source, package and sell. It's being held at the Novotel Hotel in Birmingham, which is on Broad Street in Birmingham. On the day, we're going to be looking at how to find vendors, where to find vendors, how to package the deal, how to sell the deal, and I'll also be joined by who was a former property newbie, Christina Peake, who's going to be showing you how within the space of a month she's managed to package 3 deals netting £9,000. Also on the day, we're going to be joined by a letting agent who I've managed to persuade to come in for the day. And he's going to be talking to us about what to say, what not to say, especially if you're interested in taking properties off agents on a rent-to-rent basis. It's a whole day, so we start at 10 a.m, we finish at 4 p.m. It's a packed day. We get to spend time. We get to spend time with me, get to spend time with the agent, get to spend time with Christina. And as well as that, we also get to discuss how the Elite Property Tribe can get you to property success within a very short space of time. So if you like the thought of that, click the link below, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 10 a.m. I should mention that if you can't make it for whatever reason, the session is going to be recorded. As well as that, we are also live streaming. So if you can't make it yourself and you want to join in on the live stream where you can ask questions and get them answered live as if you were in the room, please do so. But also in the special comments box, just say that you can't attend and you'd like to attend the live stream so we can send you the links pretty much straight away. I look forward to seeing you all over the weekend.